In primetime news this evening, we have proof government rubbishes SSL statement denying attempts at winding up the fraud hit entity. Feds on the case. Finance Minister says FBI probe in SSL going beyond what was initially requested. And cops probe possible contract killing of corporate area architect.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, it's a Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices. Prices are actually going down tomorrow, and we'll have more in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Jordan. Jordan, what do you have coming up in sports?
Well, Herman, it's historic when Jamaica is hosting a prestigious tennis tournament such as the Davis Cup, but there is a race against time for Jamaica's tennis players to get accustomed to the surface at the Eric Bell Tennis Center. We spoke with a couple of the players who arrived in the island today. I'll have more in sports later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. How have you adjusted your driving habits now that the new Road Traffic Act is in effect?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.